guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report accounts on your X-Twitter accounts on your Easy and Quick. First, choose your account you want to report and click here, and here we'll find the report. Click on it. Now start your report, and here just choose if you want. Here you can manage at yourself and click next, and that's it. It will be reported. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.